क्या आप भी देश और दुनिया की खबरों से रह जाते हैं बेखबर? तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे HT न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
22-year-old Hyderabad woman trafficked to Kuwait. Get news updates directly on your WhatsApp. Click here to subscribe. Hyderabad, a 22-year-old woman from Hyderabad has been trafficked to Kuwait. The woman Zakia Mirza was approached by an agent with the promise that she would be employed as a beautician in Kuwait. Zakia's mother Safia Begum has appealed to Union Minister Sushma Swaraj to rescue her daughter as she has been pushed into working as a housemaid after she landed in Kuwait on January 23, 2019. My daughter protested being forced to work as a housemaid and has been cheated. Her employer demanded that she repay him 1 lakh rupees as he had paid that amount to the agent who sent her to Kuwait. She was taken to Kuwait on a tourist visa, said Zakia's mother. The names and numbers of the travel agents of Hyderabad and Kuwait have been given to Sushma Swaraj. Social activist Amjadullah Khan also brought the issue to the notice of the Indian Embassy in Kuwait.